The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 digital SLR camera, equipped with an EFS 18 to 55mm lens kit, provides an excellent companion for first-time SLR users, aspiring photo enthusiasts, or those seeking to capture memorable family moments. As the smallest and lightest EOS DSLR camera to date, it offers a blend of portability and high-quality imaging, complemented by a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and a DIGIC 8 image processor. The camera features 4K recording capability and Canon's dual Pixel CMOS AF, offering stunning video quality and sharp, clear images. The 3.0-inch Vari-Angle Touch Screen and the Vari-Angle LCD make it easy to capture selfies and images from fun angles. Additional features, such as the ability to turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam and the inclusion of an optical viewfinder type, enhance the utility and versatility of this DSLR camera. With a review score of 4.7 based on 587 reviews and a reasonable price of $749, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 kit offers great value for money.